Hey guys, Anastasia here. Welcome back to my channel where I share different recipes to help you grow your hair naturally. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to detox your scalp naturally. So the hair grows from the scalp and we want to make sure that the scalp is very healthy, because without a healthy scalp you cannot have healthy hair. So the first ingredient we are going to be using to detox our scalp and make it healthy and clean is going to be cinnamon. So I'm using ground cinnamon and I'm just going to measure a tablespoon of the ground cinnamon. So for the total for the recipe, I'm going to be using a total of a tablespoon and a half of the ground cinnamon. In a little while, I'm going to tell you guys why it's important to use cinnamon on our scalp. But first, let's continue. I'm going to go ahead and add a tablespoon of honey into the cinnamon. So honey is a powerful antioxidant which has antibacterial and antifungal properties, which is good for fighting dandruff and promoting healthy scalp. It is a humectant as well, so it draws moisture to the hair, keeps the hair moisturized. It's an emollient which softens and gives shine to the hair. It also helps to strengthen the hair follicles, which helps to reduce hair fall, stimulates hair growth and hair regrowth. Moving on, I'm going to go ahead and use some olive oil. Olive oil also helps to reduce dandruff. It helps to keep split ends at bay, strengthens, adds shine to the hair. It's a powerful moisturizer. It easily penetrates the hair shaft, making it softer and easy to manage. It's good for naturally frizzy hair, so it helps to fight all that frizziness. So olive oil is amazing for hair growth. This is one of the oils that has been consistent in my hair care. So I'm just going to mix everything together just to see the consistency, and now I'm moving on to adding my castor oil. So castor oil, like we all know and have heard a lot, it helps with hair growth. It makes the roots of your hair stronger and prevents excessive hair fall. It is also known to stimulate hair growth. So castor oil for the longest time has been used to promote or to stimulate hair growth. Moving on, I'm going to go ahead and use my rosemary essential oil. So you can go ahead and add any essential oil you want, but I prefer rosemary essential oil because it helps to improve hair thickness and promote hair growth. It has the ability to improve cellular generation. It suits each scalp. So I'll go ahead again and add a second essential oil, which is peppermint. This is amazing because it causes a cold tingling feeling when it increases circulation to the scalp, which can help to promote hair growth, and it's said to extend the anagen phase of the hair, which is also known as a growing phase. So it's also said to increase the number of hair follicles, thereby increasing your hair density. These two essential oils are very amazing for hair. So since we're dealing with our scalp, we're focusing on our scalp today, I just wanted to take my time and use this particular essential oils because they're amazing for stimulating hair growth. So now I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to apply this on your scalp, how to take care of your scalp. So I'm just going to pat my hair. You want to see your scalp because this treatment is focused on the scalp and not our hair. So you want to do this treatment like once a week will be nice, or once every 2 weeks. You take care of your scalp. I used to have really bad dandruff, but with all the treatments I've been doing, my dandruff disappeared. I don't even have any trace of it because I use a lot of herbs and natural stuffs on my hair. The dandruff has just disappeared. So taking care of your scalp is very important. A lot of us complaining our hair is not growing. You may want to check the health of your scalp. That's where the hair grows from. So you want to make sure that that area is healthy. So yeah, with all of these, we want to make sure that we are having healthy scalp. So I just apply that to my scalp and massage it. The essential oils give it a very nice smell, as well as I love the tingling sensation that it brings to my hair. I know that's from the peppermint. It's amazing. Like, it just feels like I applied toothpaste to my hair. It's so minty. So yeah, it's so nice. I mean, you can actually feel the blood flow to your scalp, so you can really feel like you're doing something nice. So when you massage, it's like exfoliating your face. So but this is like an exfoliating process for the hair. So when you scrub, you can actually feel the grittiness of the cinnamon powder. So yeah, we just have to apply and massage gently. Don't be so rough. Just gently apply that to your scalp, and yeah, you leave it on for a while. You want to get all the full benefits of everything applied. So I left it on for about 45 minutes to an hour, or even more. I don't know, like I forgot, but I think I left it on for long. So yeah, you just want to leave it on for as long as you can, but after 30 minutes it's okay to just rinse it off. But I like to leave mine on for longer if I have the time. So yeah, you just choose a day when you're free to treat your hair, so you can take all your time. It's very exhausting doing this. I almost had muscle cramp, but yeah, I'm almost done. So that's how you apply this treatment to your scalp. It's very important to do this treatment, like I said, once a week, or once every 2 weeks, or once a month is fine. Depends on how your hair gets. But yeah, giving your scalp its own special treatment, its own special day is very essential to make sure that your hair continues to grow and never stops growing because of maybe clogged pores or any other scalp infections or whatever may be going on with your scalp. So this just helps to keep everything in check. So guys, I'm done applying, and yeah, I'll just go ahead and massage and massage and massage. You know, massage leads to increased blood flow to the scalp, which stimulates hair growth. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you found value in it, please give it a thumbs up, and yeah, subscribe to my channel below. Join the family. I share amazing recipes. Let me know whatever you want to see on my channel and I'll bring it to you. So yeah, please subscribe to my channel below. Turn on your post notifications so that YouTube will notify you whenever I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. For now, bye bye.